Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel YK Computers. Today we are going to explore some essential Linux file commands rm, cp and cut. Let's get started. First up is the rm command. Rm stands for remove. This command is used to delete file and directories in Linux. Be careful through once a file is deleted using rm, it cannot be recovered. To delete file, here we use rm. Before rm, we can create a file on desktop. Let's create using touch command. Touch, here I use file name, file dot txt. Hit enter. It create a file. Using rm, here we want to delete this file. Let's start. Rm space file name. Here we use file dot txt. Here you check that the file .txt is deleted. Next we use want to delete a directory. How? Let's start. Before remove directory, we want to create a directory. Let's start using mkdir and folder. Here we use folder name. Okay, hit enter. Here we can see one folder is created. To delete a directory, we use rm minus r, or here directory name or folder name. Folder. Hit enter. Here we can see folder is deleted. This is rm command. Remember, the minus r option is used to remove directories and their contents recursively. Next we have the cp command. Cp stands for copy. This command is used to copy files or group of the files or directories. To copy a file from one file to another file, we can use cp, the data of file 1 to the another file. We use cp commands. Let's start. Cp, here we write minus r recursively. Space, here we write the source file from which file to where we can copy the data. Before this, I will show you in file.txt data and file1.txt data. Cat file.txt. Here in the file.txt, hello, how are you? Welcome to YK Computers. And the next file1.txt, this is empty. We used cp command from file.txt to file1.txt. We copy the data of file.txt to file1.txt. Cp space minus r space, after that source file.txt space destination file, which is file1.txt. File1.txt. Hit enter. Here we can check the file1.txt contains data or not. We use cat file1.txt. Here you can see file1.txt empty, but here you can see file1.txt have data, some data. Hello, how are you? Welcome to YK Computers. It means cp command use copy data. The r minus r option is used to copy directories recursively. Finally, let's talk about the cut command. This command is used to cut out section from each line of files and write the result to standard output. Cut space minus d. Here minus d means delimiter. Here comma. Before this, I show you in data in the file. Okay, cat file.txt. Here you can see two columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and another one, hello, how are you? Here we use cut command. Let's start. Cut minus d, it means delimiter. Delimiter means here we can use delimiter as comma. It is delimiter. We separated two names using comma, so delimiter is comma. The next, minus f, comma, minus f2. F2 or F1, you can write here F2 or F1. F means field, field 1, field 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is field 1, and next, hello, how are you is field 2. Which field you want to print using F? Here I write F1. Here 1 2 3 will give us output. Okay, start F1 and file name. File name is file.txt. Okay, it gives us output 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if I write F2, what is output? Let's check. Here we use F2. Okay, hit enter. It give us hello, how are you? But here not show 1 2 3 4. Why? We use field 2. So this is cut command. In this example, we use minus D specifies the delimiter and minus F specifies the field number. That's all for today tutorial on Linux file commands. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try these command out on your own and see how they work. Thanks for watching.